Yes, yes, and yes, guys, something delicious is cooking in my kitchen today, and it is known as Alfredo pasta. This is one of my absolute favorite sauces to make. Why? Well, it's incredibly easy and it's so versatile. Do you know the main ingredients? The three main ingredients are butter, cream, and cheese. Just tell me, how can you go wrong with that? Ha! Why I use the sauce over pasta, you can also make pizza and flatbread with it, and even use it as a dip. Thank Italy for blessing the culinary world once again. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. This is Akinzi Kitchen. Hope you guys are good and fantastic and having a wonderful day. So if today is the first time of coming to my channel, you are welcome to the family. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit on the notification button so that you won't miss any video we post on this channel. You know, this channel is all about secret recipes, wonderful easy recipes to use and wow your spouses, your kids, your friends, and people around you. Please don't forget to write on the comment section to tell us if this pasta was delicious, or if the method worked for you, or if there is other things you like to add. And so also don't forget to share this video with your friends. So I use mushroom here, which I've already cooked, but you can also use diced liver, diced beef, diced chicken, anyone that you want, but I wanted to use mushroom for this particular recipe. Make sure you stir this on a low heat to avoid the stir fry from getting burnt. So stir it on a low heat for like 5 to 10 minutes before you bring it down. All the ingredients I use for this Alfredo pasta will be in the description below, so guys, check it out and use it to cook away. I decided to try something new. I know we use full cream to cook this Alfredo pasta, but in case you don't see this, you can use that because that is the secret of my channel. I give you secret recipes that you can use to replace this and that. So I used evaporated liquid milk with corn flour to know if I can get the same texture and taste when you also use full cream, and I did. I got the same taste. There was no difference. So you can also use this method in case you don't see full cream. You can just buy evaporated milk and mix it with your corn flour before adding your Alfredo pasta. So you can also use your own spices. I just said to use black pepper, chili flakes, oregano, and mixed herbs, salt to cook this. But you can also, spice things up. In the kitchen you have to be creative. Cooking is art, so you have to be creative in the kitchen. Add your own this and that. Whether to give you this taste or that taste. Okay. So I'm going to add the stir-fried sauce I've already made before into the corn flour mixture before I add my Alfredo pasta. Along with this Alfredo pasta, you can enjoy it with a side salad, some garlic bread, and some grilled chicken. Just enjoy it. Is the most delicious pasta you can ever taste. Like, the most delicious. I enjoyed this recipe. After cooking it, I was like, I wanted to leave the plate. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, like. Okay, till next time. Bye.